Whenever I'm out at a farm, it is like the main source of inspiration for me and for the chefs that join me.
My name is Wagner. I'm the owner of Nobelhart and Schmutzig.
My name is Micha Schäfer. I'm the head chef at Nobelhart and Schmutzig.
And we are the winner of Massa's highest climber award of 2022. When we received the award, I felt kind of really thrilled, because at the end, the prize is not only a prize for Micha's cooking and our service, it's also an recognition to the farmers and their produce around Berlin. When guests come to our place, the first thing, for most of them is really awkward. It's a picture-free, video-free experience, because you can concentrate on yourself and the person who you're with. Usually you go in a restaurant and it's about feeding yourself and having a good time. But the effects at Nobelhart and Schmutzig, I think, are much bigger and much more valuable, because you affect a certain kind of agriculture and the whole ecosystem around. So I think coming to Nobelhart and Schmutzig, it's actually more than only feeding yourself.
Conceptualizing a dish it's a very soft, chaotic process, I would say. And it often starts with a produce that is presented or offered by a farmer, and we have it in the kitchen and we just try things. It's not a process that has a system.
Our beverage program is not only based on wine, it's based on the idea of a very good agriculture. So we would not buy a produce which has no deeply rooted idea in an area. And because of that, you have a better experience of the place where the drink is coming from.
We work directly with the farmers. That gives us the opportunity to learn about their perspective on food and to work together into future as to growing things, planting things, sharing it with other farmers, sharing the same knowledge with other chefs, and having a strong gastronomic scene and experience in Berlin.
To become a chef or restaurateur, it's not only about cooking for people and getting drunk once in a while. I think you have a certain effect in who you work with, and this means what kind of a working environment you create with the staff, and also with the farmers, what kind of value system you bringing to them, and how their work is seen in the outside world. So becoming a chef or restaurateur, you can change the world.